Dear Sonites, I hope all of you are keeping safe and sound at home. This pandemic has given us a huge transition from a traditional method of learning to a very online mode. I hope all of you are consuming the information or the contents, videos, PDFs, notes that we are sending to you. I hope that's fulfilling the basic requirement of teaching and learning. Our mentors at Livingston Foundation International are doing the level best to give you the right amount of content and highest quality of content to help you enhance your knowledge. To add on, our school has taken an initiative to give you some technological tools, or so to say some apps, to help you further learn some very complicated concepts. Many of us find science and mathematics a bit difficult, a bit confusing at times. It's fun, even though at times it's a bit difficult. And so, to help you, to assist you, Livingston School has partnered with an organization. It's called Step App. It is a brainchild by Pace Academy. We all know about that. So, Step App basically is a learning platform. Step App is enhancing the concepts and the theories in a more animated format. It's usually available in Play Store and App Store. I will give you a step-by-step process how to download, how to execute the app, and how to go ahead with the concepts and how to enhance your knowledge on these two particular areas of subject. From grade 1 till grade 12, we have requested the organization to give free access to our students, whereas the school will sponsor for all of you. The school is bearing the cost per head. So I believe it helps you in clearing your doubts on these areas, and more so, I believe this would be a revolutionary product that goes hand in hand with our existing system of uploading videos on YouTube and then sharing the links to you. Thorough step-by-step process of downloading this app and how to go about in using this app for the benefit of yours. So the first step is to go to the Play Store. Once you enter the Play Store or App Store, you have the search option available. You have to click in the search option and type Step App. The spelling goes as TEPPAPP. As you can see, once we type Step App, the few options that are following are as Step App Gamified Learning, Step Counter, and other apps as follows. But the one which we are talking about is the first one, Step App Gamified Learning. Once we have found the icon, we have to click it, and then we'll have the option for install. And we have to go about installing the app in our respective cell phones. Once the installation process is complete, we will have the app in our system, in our cell phone. The app icon, once we click, we will have to sign in. So, once we go for a sign in option, we will have two areas to fill up. First is a mobile number, second is a OTP. To make it easy for all the students of all the grades, what we have done is that we have requested the organization to give a 14-digit number against each student. Your number would be there with your respective grade mentors. They would be contacting you and sharing with you a 14-digit number along with a 4-digit code. In my case, I'm going to put in that number Once it is done, I can get the OTP. In your case, the OTP will be there by default. So once you have entered the 14-digit code and the OTP as given by your grade mentors, you will have access to the app, and then you will have small few settings that you have to arrange. For that, as you can see the interface, there's a small icon. Just click there and the option comes My Account. When you click there, you will have to type in your name, you'll have to type your parents' email ID, you have to type the grade against which you are studying currently, and then you have the board. For every student, irrespective of the board or grade, kindly put in your CBSE as your board by default. And once you have completed this, let's say that I am Mr. Norbert from grade 5 and I have clicked grade 5 as my grade. I have put in my board as CBSE. Then grade 5 contents of mathematics, science, that will be including of chemistry, physics and biology will be unlocked phase by phase. So what do I mean by that? So here I can click chemistry. Here, once the chemistry option is clicked, I have a series of chapters. As you can see, there's a series of chapters. So what I'll do is that I will have to play the first chapter. Since for me the grade 5 is unlocked, so I have to click the first concept of the first chapter that's unlocked. Once I play this, you can see there's this screen interface that has come. Play the island. The interesting part about this app is everything is designed as if every concept is a small island, and you have to keep on recovering or exploring these islands one by one. You have to keep on unlocking these islands. So play the island.
The rate of change of concentration of any species taking part in a chemical reaction with time is known as rate of reaction with respect to that species. Unit of rate of reaction is molarity per second. The rate of reaction is always positive.
So you could see there's a small few seconds video clip that was played, an animated video clip, so to say. Similarly, there are 4 more video clips that are available, and once I have played this, I can go and explore the second step. The second step involves quiz, true and false. So let's assume that rate of reaction is unitless, true? Oh, that's wrong answer. Now, once I have clicked a wrong answer in the true and false column, it gives me 2 options more. One, I can revisit the concept and I can relearn those 4 animated slides that was displayed just few minutes back. Or I can replay this island. That means I can revisit the quiz. So let's try replaying the quiz once more. Rate of reaction is always positive. I think it should be false. Oh, it's wrong again. So I believe that I did not learn the concept properly, so I will go back to the concept and try to relearn this concept once more.
The rate of change of concentration
And here it
of
comes.
species taking part in a chemical reaction with time is
And I
known
think
as rate
I'm
of
done with the
reaction with
concept.
respect to that
So I'll click
species.
done over here and I can replay this island. That means I can play the quiz once more. That's a true answer. So once I've crossed the first, similarly the other true and false will continue, and I can unlock the next phase in a similar manner. If I want to exit, I'll click yes. And if I go back, this comes the series of topics or chapters, you can say. And then comes, you can see here physics, chemistry, math and biology. Similarly, I can explore all the other 4 subjects, unlock the chapters serially one by one, and then again unlock the islands. So this tool that we are presenting to you is basically an add-on. The app which I have displayed just now is an add-on to your existing curriculum or add-on to your existing teaching and learning method. So I hope this helps you a lot to enhance your concepts, to have a better grip of the concept in physics, chemistry, math, biology, and this would take you a long way down the line. With this, I hope this serves the purpose to some extent of giving you some state-of-the-art technology for you to utilize it and then enhance your knowledge. With that, I would like to say, stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning, be curious. Thank you.